Hey everyone, it's Andy, two-wheel Limey. Normally I'd be out riding. I'd be out on the Harley somewhere in Southern Alberta, or in this particular instance I'd be on the island by now, or I'd be roughly coming back. But as most of you know, I had an accident on the 12th of July. Came away with a broken hand, 2 broken ribs, and a whole new appreciation of how quickly things can change. The bike is still with the insurance company, so I haven't even seen that since I seen it in the tow yard in BC. As for my helmet, it did exactly what it was designed to do. It took one massive hit to the front, and because of that it ended up in the garbage. As you know, a helmet gets one job, and once it's done that, it's no use anymore. Since the accident, I've had quite a few people asking how I'm doing and when I'm going to be riding again and what's happening with the bike. And the honest answer is, I have no idea. The recovery takes time. The hand is healing, the ribs are getting better, but anyone who's had broken ribs will tell you they're incredibly frustrating. Even laughing or coughing reminds you that they're still broken. The hardest part isn't actually the injuries, it's not being able to ride. And I don't think non-riders really understand the importance what riding means to us. It's a freedom. It's a way to clear your head. It's something you generally miss when it's taken away. Since then, I've had plenty of time to think about the incident. I don't blame motorcycles. I don't regret riding. If anything, it reminds me how important good gear is, and how unpredictable the road can be. One thing I can say is, when I am able to get back on the bike, I'm going to really appreciate every single mile, a lot more than I did before. Until then, I don't want this channel to disappear, so excuse me, we're going to talk motorcycles, maybe chat about gear. I'll show you what I've learnt from the crash. Hopefully we'll have a laugh along the way, and hopefully you'll stick around until I'm finally back where I belong, behind the handlebars. I'd also love to hear from you if you've ever had a crash, or you've had time away from riding because of an injury. Leave a comment below. How did you get through it? What was your first ride like when you came back? I like reading your comments, and generally they help me to keep my spirits up, and I can't thank you guys enough for all your support. The next chapter of the story ends with me back on 2 wheels. Until then, look after yourself, wear the right gear, ride smart, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. And remember, ride like a limey, not a lemon.